Okay, so let's now see how we can get a response from the computer. After all, if we can't see what the computer outputs, then we won't know if our program is working as expected. So to get a response, we can use what is known as the print function. And inside of the print function, we can include reference to the thing, more formally known as an object, that we want to print. So for example, we could put a message in quotation marks. So I can type print, which is the name of the function we're about to use, followed by a set of brackets, which are known as parentheses. This will not be the last time you see parentheses, as you need to include them whenever you are instructing Python to execute a function. And that's exactly what we're doing here. We are telling Python to execute the print function. Inside of the parentheses, we'll put a simple message in double quotes saying, "Hello everyone." When we execute this code, so to do this I can press Shift and Enter, we get the output "Hello everyone" printed to the screen. Now the message here is obviously us telling the computer what to print as the output, but we'll see how to make this output more dynamic in the next video when we discuss variables. So we use the print function to observe what the computer has to say, and we'll be using this a lot to make sure the code we write is executed by the computer in the way we expect it to. It's basically our way of having a conversation with the computer.